What's up YouTube? In today's video we're actually going to be fixing a mistake that we did in one of the previous videos. If you guys remember the video that we did replacing the amber reflector inside of the headlights, we actually didn't reseal one of the headlights correctly, the passenger side headlight correctly. So some condensation got into the light and I think it fried the ballast. All the other lights work, even the running lights work. The only thing that doesn't work are the low beams and the high beams. And I hope it's not the bulbs, I hope it just is the ballast. We resealed the headlight, it's all good now, no more condensation. But since we ran into this issue, we gotta fix it. If you clicked on this video, you're either trying to replace the ballast yourself or you're a subscriber. And if you're not, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Please give this video a like if you do enjoy, and let's get to it and replace this ballast. Hopefully the light works, let's hope. As you guys can see, I have my high beams on and it's giving me a notification saying that the headlights aren't working, or at least the low beam and high beam aren't working. So here's the ballast right here. Let's open it up real quick. There it is, that's what the ballast looks like, still in the bubble wrap, but let's go look at the headlights real quick. As you guys can see, the bulb right here does not work, this one does work, it's pretty obvious. Like I said, all the other lights in this headlight work except for the low beam and high beam, and here we're all good. So let's get the light out, take the ballast out, replace it, and hopefully that fixes our issue. Right, since we got our headlight out, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the new ballast right here, just set it down right there. And there are 3 Torx 20 screws around this ballast right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take the ballast out. From there's little clips that just plug right into the ballast. I'm just taking them out right now. Here's the old ballast. That's what it looks like, and there's these clips in my hand here, as you guys can see. Now I'm just replacing all that I just unplugged into the new ballast. Right, and as you guys can see here, there's the new ballast all installed. The old ballast right here has some corrosion on it from the water when the headlights get condensated. So, yep, this is out of here. Gonna go put it all back together and hopefully the headlight works. Let's hope. All right, and the car is all back together now. Time for the moment of truth. We're gonna start the car back up. Alright, I'm gonna turn the lights all the way on. Not getting any notification for the high beams or low beams. Everything appears to be working after replacing the ballast. So happy. I thought it was going to be way worse damage than just the ballast. I thought the whole module was damaged maybe, but if it was damaged, I doubt that the running lights and the side lights would still work. Since it was just the low beam and high beam, I figured that it was just the ballast. Luckily it was, so super happy to have that fixed. I'm glad that I have both my headlights working now.